Hi, I am Anушервон. I am 15 years old. I am a man. I want to learn English. English is a language. English isn't difficult, it's easy. I live in a big city. My house is small and very beautiful. I want to learn languages in order to travel. I have a friend and his name is Jason. He lives in a big house. He is very nice and intelligent. My friend Jason speaks Chinese. Chinese is the official language of China. I prefer to learn English. I have to study more English. I want to go to the United States this year. Because of this, I need to improve my English. In the morning, I listen to 1 hour of English. In the afternoon, I read a book in English. At night, I sleep. Jason wants to go to China. I don't want to go with him because I don't know how to speak Chinese. Rachel is from the United States. She speaks perfect English. I believe that Rachel is very beautiful and intelligent. I have a family. My family is small. I have father, mother, brother, and sister. My father is a doctor. My brother is a child. My sister is a pupil.